Viewers all over the world, I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us today an ordinary evangelist, sir. You're highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Ogwefi Eze-Ana Ugochi Tuberodorifte. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm a onye isi nchụaja Ugochi Tuberodina Temple. Okwazi onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist, I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
Let's proceed with today's question. Do you believe that Igbo spirituality is higher than other religions?
Yeah, thank you for that question. The truth of the matter is that spirituality is one. Yes. Makano Fuchukwu, that we have only one God. The Almighty, the creator of the whole universe, irrespective of the name you choose to call him. But I'm talking about that Almighty, the creator of the heaven and earth and the entire universe. It has no beginning, it has no end. Everything starts in him and ends in him. So I'm talking about that particular being, whatever name you choose to call that being. So is one. So therefore, anything concerning our communication with him is one. Then concerning religion, the word religion is obubere, and obubere is formulated by cultural value and etundisi ebindo. So tradition and culture so now form religion, because religion will be mmadụ na-abụ na ọ bụ ịtọ jikọrọ aka ha ọnụ wee mụọ odo opinion based on cultural value and the ethnicity and everything. Where ga recognize how we registered, because every world religion is registered. They now have a platform, a way, has a behave more a bindoha, when I propagate that their religion. So every religion registered. So when it becomes registered, government we're going to leaders, when that they hold accountable, more everything go wrong. More when that guys no here cage matter. Man spirituality will all leader. Spirituality it was taking the morgue na overfair. Nature kerege. So therefore, but individually, spirituality differ from person to person. So I can you that spirituality is one, but to the religion differ from religion to other, because the founders of that religion has some certain things in mind. Then, asking whether Igbo spirituality is higher than other religion, one of the religion key beer that the concept of the founders. However, the Igbo, dịka onye Africa, our advice onye Africa na onye Igbo to follow okpukpere usoro nke ndị nna nna ya fa. N'akwụkwọ Jeremiah chapter 16 verse 6 sị, ịpụta ebe ụzọ gbalụ ịtọ na ịnọ, it is very confused where to follow. As kele ụzọ anwa my forefathers followed, follow that side. Because onye mere ihe nna ya mere abụrụ ụsa. So if you ask me as a son of the soil, I will advise onye Igbo to follow the path of our ancestors, because not that path yanwa usoro ọdịnala Igbo usoro aka ndị nna gị na gị so ụzọ aka a ga-esi jọọjị gị, maka na Chukwu Okike ga-ajọọjị onye ọbụla agbụrụ ọbụla n'usoro omenala ha. And ọnụ ebe a ka ị nwere mmadụ mgbe ị bụ onye Igbo je na practice foreign religion, na foreign religion ikwu ga-anọrọ ibe ya anọrọ ya. So ọ daa na mmụọ na George based on your new convert as a new religion in nwere ọfụ. Iru ebe anyị ga-awụ prodigal, so iru ebe anyị ga-abụ enona, iru ebe anyị ga-abụ an orphan. Because onwebere ikwu na ibe gị so ebe a si that part. So iru ebe onwere ọnụ ga-ekwuru gị na ọ daa n'ikpe. Mana isoro ụzọ nke ndị nna nna gị ha, a ga-ajọjikwa gị based on n'ụzọ nke ndị nna nna gị ha. And I can assure you n'ụzọ nke ndị nna nna gị ha na-enwere ikwu gị na ibe gị ọnụ ruru n'okwu ga-ejesi, this is my descendant, on one in whom I'm well pleased. Get it? So it's always favorable for you to follow ụzọ ahụ ndị nna nna gị. So ọ dị ka onye Igbo jere n'ugwu Awụsa nwee ka o si kwaba iti ofensi, ọ ga-afịakwa ahụ inweta onye nwere ike imeri ebere. Mana ọ bụrụ onye Igbo ibe gị n'ala Igbo gị kọmiti ya afọ ndị ya sị nwanna kezi ka isi metu a ngwa sị hapụ ya na nwanne ede enwe wee dị daalụ.
Chukwu is not God. Addressing Chukwu as God is like downgrading him. What is your take on that?
The thing is that people don't really understand this word English. So if anybody speak English and make mistake, I don't blame the person because however, now the word God to Odocha it has to do with Christianity dominated ụwa. Now, how I recognize it? Chukwu, God, as the supreme being, so there is no way an Igbo man understanding that they will order chi, what you call the gods. The Igbo kwenyekwala. They will na mmadụ bụ chi bịa. We are gods to our fellow human beings. Ogo bụ chi onye. Your in-law is like your God because so many things you will keep benefit from your in-law. However, having established them with the gods, ndị Igbo wee chozie etu a ga-esi wee describe that God, that the supreme being anwa bụ eze ndị ọzọ na-ezo n'okpuru ya. Ha wee kpọọ ya chi nke ukwu nke karịsịrị. However, it is very wrong for onye Igbo determine onye another language ihe ọ ga-eji wee kpọchie bụ nke kachanụ. Example, when I was in India, they called their almighty Bagwam. Who am I as onye Igbo? Ịgwa ha na ihe ha kpọrọ adọrọ correct, na Chukwu ka ha ga-akpọ. All the wrong because they call it Bagwam. If you have what Bagwam is, so no, the almighty, the unmovable mover, which is correct. Now, ọ bụrụ na ije n'ugwu Awụsa, how can onye Igbo isi onye Awụsa kpọrọ isi akara aha Chukwu pụrụ ime n'ọsọ na ala? Kedu ka onye Igbo ga-eje si ya na ịkpọ ala we believe to God? While onye kpọrọ ihe ma ihe o mean wee kpọ. Ọ na ọ dị etu a nnọkịta. I mean so many things to so many people. So ihe onye chọrọ ya kpọ ihe niile awụ were ewu ma ya ụdọ na were ụdọ ma ya ewu with the same thing. Ọ nwere onye nwere ike ịfụ m ọkpọ my indigenous name, native name, Chukwu nọnyere m, ọ dị correct. Some people nwere ike ịfụ nwere ike ndị na-alụ m ọlụ ọkpọ my boss, ọ dị correct. Some people nwere ike maka m ọma Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu Oraifite, ọ dị correct. Ọ ngwa ndị maka m because of title my village nyere m asị Akajugo kpọọ m Akajugo, ọ dị correct. So ọ bụrụ na mmadụ anyị bido gbawa onwe anyị wụọ na-asị na onye kpọrọ God dị nonetheless ịbado n'obi. So onye kpọrọ n'ụma afa karịchalụnụ, o nwere onye ya pụta ihe ọ na-akpọ die bụ nna anyị, nwa onye na-akpọ ya ọkpọ ya ude ọkpọ aha dị kpọ di afa. So ihe ya egosi ma ibile tụrụ ya bụ ihe ibu n'obi. O nwere onye ya pụta ọkpọ afa ya anwa ọkpọ Udekwe na example na aha Udekwe ọba awụ kpọ Udekwe nna anyị ụtụtụ ọma. All respect. Onye pụtakwa na kpọọ gị afọ ọzọkwa ba awụkwara kpọọ nna anyị, all respect. Ọ n'obi onye jikpu ya. So ọ bụrụ na anyị nwapụtasị na onye kpọrọ Chukwu na ọ dị correct, onye kpọsịrị God no believe to God. So ka anyị mind our business, respect ya other people's belief because ihe a bụ language onye ọzọ. So hapụ onye ahụ onye kpọrọ Chukwu ịjụọ ihe ọ kpọrọ so na onye nwa bụ the creator of the universe. Then why must you say na ihe ọ kpọrọ adọrọ correct? Or language ka language ka ọ bụ.
Thanks for that eye-opening answer. But I want to ask again.
Yeah.
In Igbo spirituality, let's say an Eze-Ana practitioner calling Chukwu God or another different name, does it mean that that particular person is downgrading God?
Yes, thank you for that question. The truth of the matter, like me, my humble self, I know that Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile are the Almighty God that has all the power to do everything. Yes, that is his name. Ogamupoya, no need. Same that name, no Gejeme wonders. However, knowing fully well that I'm trying to talk to international audience, like based on my projection, where I am now or where I'm going. My intention is to talk to Africans and international audience. However, if I mention Chukwu Okike, Goziegi, some of them will not understand what I'm saying, so they will not follow it. So I better use universal that language, which I say, God bless you. That does not mean that I'm downgrading God, because that means I'm trying to use the word, those Ndawa, the generally accepted as English, so that in the matter where water, where no no high ihe. So whether or not that grade God or ihe mụnwa bụ n'obi, ọ bụrụ na m kpọrọ ya God n'ụdị na m grade so oshi n'obi. So when I mention Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile, I now call it like that is in English. Ọ bụrụ downgrading.
Some spiritualists are saying that it's not advisable for a dibia to feed someone's sheep. What is your take on that?
The problem in Igbo spirituality is that a lot of people are operating in different dimensions, different level of maturity. And the Igbo spirituality, the another problem in Igbo spirituality, and want harmony. And want harmony because so many teachers are there. But even from the time of the ancients, there were so many world religion and teaching. Some are contrary to each other. So the truth of the matter, Bona, people are teaching so many things. Yes. But those things that are teaching does not even mean anything. That's why I remember when I was a Catholic, we were told not to read book or attend anything that is not Catholic. During that time, we are doing this philosophy of eternity. I want to that any book or I have go and look any Catholic book. After the introduction, you have ever imprimatur. Imprimatur simply means that a bishop have proofread that particular religious book. Where Catholics, a bishop of maybe Sokoto diocese have read this book. Therefore, the content of this book will be of great benefit to Catholics with your signature. So we were told that time, no, also that such a because no draw misleading. Oh, yeah, but I can't leak it. We have Otobu. Now, about Christianity, I'm going to know Catholic. We are doesn't even they not attached. Now, because how harmonize ihe you against here Catholic believe in their philosophy and their faith. How boy heresy in the couldn't. So now ordinary Igbo, the more harmonized teaching. Game is only kuzi and carboria acquire heresy. So because now Igbo spirituality in the matter they focus on individualism. I don't harmonize. That is one of the reasons why more they are harmonize your Igbo spirituality. But I can only do my best. So what I'm saying is that if you are following Facebook, you misled. That's why I normally tell people, if you are an adherent in Igbo spirituality, you are new. Pray to your forces. Ask them to show you a guide. Somebody that will be your spiritual mentor, that will be following you. Listen to that person. Follow the person's advice, and they shall be well with you. But when you are on social media, listen to so many Dick and Harry, Oga, you got confused. I know some people that are stagnant now. Agbahanen, Ojen calls Agbahanana. So I don't go and more comfortable because you listen to so many people. Some of them now watch social media for some of those pieces. I just flip up because I'm an only the time of the honor. So and they galadi too much. Only one that talk about Libya. So, but even now I can tell you, as I see one name more spirit of discernment. Pray to Yachi and your forces. Ask them to direct you to whom will be directing you, be your mentor. Then follow the person. Stop jumping from one person to the other. At least to avoid the mistake, to avoid the confused. And that is why what Catholic was trying to prevent. So, have one mentor and follow who know road. So what I'm telling you is that people are teaching so many things that is abnormal. I know a lot of people that believed in me. Yes, some of them have their various stories, how they came to me. Some told me when they are searching for mentors, they prayed, and they used to watch my videos anyway. They prayed and saw me in dream, and they were directed that they should go and look for this person, that this person will be the person that will be guiding them. That is how they came to me and asked me that they want me to be their spiritual father, which I accepted. Now, and some of them, I have been working for them for years without even seeing them. Some of them based abroad. And since they're based abroad, I'm the one that are doing handling all their spiritual work. And there's testimonies. I know one I have been working, he lives in Canada. Under the work I started doing for the person last 3 years, as he's speaking now, is a house owner in Canada. In fact, he do dash me money every 4 months, 3 times in a year. For this year, I've already given me money. Dash me up to 400,000 naira. Take. That is not part of the work. Because Eze-Ana use this one for drink and cola. Now, by September, another money will come from him. December, another one will come. He normally ration it only for 4 months. So what I'm saying in essence is this. Follow what works for you. That I don't smoke, I don't take alcohol. I will not come to the general public and be saying, don't smoke, don't take alcohol. Do what's suited for you. Yes. Because poison to me might not be a poison to another person. So that no na abu mmadụ chukwalu chiki nwa ọ dị aga until jiri aka mee ya does not mean na mmadụ mee nke onye ọzọ na ọ ma aga. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-abụ mmadụ mee nke gị na ọ dị aga, enwere reason. Enwere ike ọ bụrụ na ya force shock ijiri aka mee ya, ma ọ bụ na ha feeluru na onye ahụ ị na-emere gị ya na-eke ya mma ma ọ na-eke ya, ma ọ bụ na ịbụ nwoke etu a mbụ nwoke chụọ onye ụwa bụrụ ogbu efi bụrụ onye nze bụrụ eze dibịa. Enwere m ike ijekwu nwaanyị ka o feediere m ya. You will not even accept it. So ọ bụrụ na njekwu nwaanyị ya feedielu m chim ahụ will not even answer. Ọ ya prefer kama mụ jiri aka mee ya. That does not mean na nwaanyị enwere ike ịlụguru nwaanyị ibi ọlụ ma ọ bụ onye ọzọ ịlụrụ ọlụ. Ihe ị na-ekwu na ọnọdụ ka mmadụ esi na another person cannot pray for you. Somebody that is higher than you in the spiritual realm can actually intercede in your matter. That is the truth. Somebody that is, what's important is that the person that is interceding in you is higher, has the higher vibration and higher connectivity than you. The person can pray for you, irrespective of whether me Igbo onye Igbo or Nibro onye Igbo. Amamo, even gifts differ from person to person. Personally, gift I can pray for anybody, human being, whether me Igbo onye Igbo or Nibro onye Igbo. So, special gift differ from person to person. Thank you.
Do you think it's wrong to go to river on your own to pray or offer sacrifice?
Yeah, thank you. Going to a river by yourself is not wrong if actually you know what to go there and do. But the most important is that you must have a mentor. I know a couple of people that are living in so many countries of the world that have contacted me, that they are following me. Maybe some of them I am working for them, and they told me that on their own that they want to visit river where they reside, and then they now ask me what to do. So I do guide them via the phone, via WhatsApp messages, what they should go with, and what they should do and what they should not do. And believe in me, most of them have done it and they have testimonies. So what I can tell you, I will tell you what you must avoid so that you will not make terrible mistake. Or maybe me and you follow go. I'll teach you how to do it. I'll do it for you. Then for you to copy what I did so that next time you can actually do it. I'm one of the persons that advocate that by the time you become conscious of yourself, your existence, that there was some spiritual work you can be able to do by yourself. In fact, for a conscious person, you can actually do 70% of your spiritual work. It's only 30% that your spiritualists can do for you. I'm not advocating for people to be lazy, that you can't even pray, you can't even do spiritual exercise. You are dependent on your spiritualists to do virtually everything for you. Is wrong. So what I'm saying is that once you are properly mentored, that you, under the influence of my voice, can actually visit the waters and do your thing. Thank you.
Do you think we are slaves to God or we are His children?
Yeah, thank you. All depends on what you call slave. Jesus once said in the Bible that na ya kpọrọ unu ndị oru ya kama na ya kpọrọ unu ndị enyi m. So all depending from the angle somebody is looking at. O nwere onye nwere ike ịfụ somebody that is working for somebody or should not be slave. Nwa onye nwere mana o nwere ike na onye a na-arụ ọrụ is not seeing you people as slave. So what he calls slave is depending on the who is looking at it. So for me, I will tell you that human beings are children of God. Yes. So using the word slavery is not the right word. So I will tell you without missing words that we are children of God and not His slaves. Slaves are those people that doesn't have say, they doesn't have any right at all. They don't have even their own freedom. Even when they want to go out, the master will say, you are going nowhere. In fact, they can, if the master said they will not see the outside the gate, they will not see. That makes them slave. They don't have their own freedom. So, we human spirits are not slaves. Chukwuoke gave us all the freedom we need here on earth. However, He warned us that despite the fact that we are given all the freedom we needed, if we abuse that freedom and use it to do badness, the consequence will still be there for us. So we are all children of God. Thank you.
If we are all children of God, why then do some priests say during their prayers to congregation, why that statement?
Yeah, thank you. There is so many things that is error among the liturgical phrase and some words they are using in Catholic Church. But for me, in Igbo spirituality and Ordinana, which I'm a priest in it, I will never use such words. Because some words are actually in their own error. I was in a midst where they celebrated Mass. A friend of mine lost his father, and he happens to be a Catholic, and I was there. So when the Reverend Father Catholic Church begin to celebrate the Mass they are celebrating, I noticed so much changes in the words they are using now than how it was 15 years ago, 20 years ago when we are in Catholic. Example, when some words how they use now are changing. I go, I say na when I say na nonyere mmụọ mana mgbe mbọ this word ka they use. So they change so many things. Maybe because some of them people have already started pointing some of those things as error. So they keep modifying it. So I can tell you that some of those words, some of them are using as will still be modified when they keep raising issues concerning them. So that's why you will not say sometimes you see Bible I say reverse edition. They modernize. You can't leave it. Oh no, anybody over that I used to be a Catholic. When I left Catholic in the year early 2000. I left Catholic, to be precise, I left Catholic pata in 2007. 2007 till now is over 20 years. So during that time, I carried everything, even the benediction, all the prayers I carried it over here. But I went to where I celebrated Mother, everything have changed. So what I'm saying is that a priest using that as slave of God is wrong and should not be used. Thank you.
Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, you can drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries and deep consultation, Alpha, you can as well DM him with that same number. It's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Yeah, viewers, keep following us, keep sharing about our messages, keep doing what is right. Bear it in mind that whatever you sow in creation must flow back to you, the originator. May you remain blessed now and forevermore.